Hello my dear students, how are you? All are fine there? Okay. Last class what we studied? The last class we have studied about layering and the different steps of layering. So today also we are going to study more about layering, the merits and demerits and the different methods to produce superior quality plants.
Okay students, let us study about the merits and demerits of layering. Okay, first one, most of the plants can be grown this way. This way we can produce the new plant in most of the plant. This is the merit of layering. The first merit of layering is this way we can produce the new sapling in most of the plants. Okay, that is the first merit. And the second merit we can see here. First we are going to study about only the merit. Second merit is they have qualities of the parent plant. Okay, they have qualities of the parent plant. And the third merit is the flowering and fruiting of such are faster than those in plants formed from seeds. The plants, those who are produced from seeds, are flowering little later than the plants which are produced from layering. Okay, so that is also a merit of layering. The plants, the plants which are made from, produced from the layering method are flowering and fruiting little faster than the plants formed from seeds. Okay, that is another method. Then the next merit is through this method we can produce more saplings with a short period. Within a short period we can produce more saplings. That is another merit of layering. And these are the merits of layering. Then we can go through the demerits. The layering also has some demerits. We can study what are the demerits of the layering. The first demerit is that less lifespan. The plants which are formed from layering have less lifespan compared to the plants which are produced from the seeds. Okay, only for little time they will grow, after that it will die. And next one, they will be of smaller size. The plant should be smaller in size compared to the plants which are formed from the seeds. The plants which are formed from the seeds are little bigger compared to the plants which are formed from layering, by layering. If layering is done on diseased plants, what will happen? The new plants will also be infected. If layering is done on diseased plants, new plants will also be infected. Next demerit, layered plants do not possess the tap root system. When we are studying about the layering, I show you that the roots are like fibers. Fibrous roots only arise by layering. But other plants, they have taproot system. Okay, they require more care. The layered saplings want more care than the plants which are produced from the seeds. These are the demerits. So we can in the textbook also that is there. We can go through the textbook. That is given here. First one, most of the plants can be grown this way. And second, plants formed from layering do not have as much lifespan as plants formed from seed germination. They will be of smaller size too. This is a demerit of layering. Next one, they have qualities of the parent plant. That is the merit of layering. Next one, if layering is done on diseased plants, new plantlets will also be infected. That is the demerit. If you are layering a diseased plant, the saplings produced also have that infection. Okay. Next one, flowering and fruiting of such plants, the layered plants, are faster than those in plants formed from seeds. Compared to the plants which are formed from the seeds, are our layered plants producing flowers and fruits faster. Okay, that is a merit of layering. And next one, through this method we can produce more sapling. Through this method we can produce more sapling within a short period. Next one, layered plants do not possess the taproot system. They do not have taproot system. Then they require more care. They require more care. These are the merits and demerits of layering. Okay. So now we are going to study about another method, that is grafting. Did you hear about grafting? Most of you hear about grafting. Now we are going to study about grafting. Grafting is another method used to produce superior quality plantlets. If you want superior quality plants, we can apply grafting in the plants. This method is practiced from ancient times. Our ancestors also practiced this method. So superior quality plants are produced by joining the stem of two plants of the same species. Okay, for grafting, we should select the same species, and we can join the local quality plant and the superior quality plant branch, and they join together and we can produce a new branch. Okay, with a superior quality. The rooted plant select for grafting is called stalk. What is stalk? The rooted plant selected for grafting is called a stalk. Okay, usually we are selecting the stalk as a local plant. It's not a superior quality plant. The local plant we are selecting as the stalk. Okay, and the branch selected for grafting is called scion. The superior quality branch we are selecting for grafting is called scion. So the rooted plant selected for grafting is called stalk, and the superior quality branch we are selecting for grafting is called scion. Okay, usually we are doing this grafting in mango trees like Neelam, Malgova, etc. Neelam, Malgova, all these are superior quality mango trees. So we are selecting this Neelam and Malgova as scion. Okay, and our local, that is the indigenous mango trees, that is the local mango trees in our place are selected as the stock. Okay, so let us see how this is doing. Let us try this activity. We can also do this in your garden. Okay, first, what is the step? First step, select two plants. Okay, the rooted plant that is in the soil, we can see that is the scion branch we are taking. Okay, scion plant branch we are taking. Only one branch of the scion we are taking, and the stalk is the full plant. Okay, the stalk is a full plant we are in the pot, and the scion is the branch of a superior quality plant. Okay, first what to do? First, peel off the bark from the facing side of both the stalk and the scion in 3.5 centimeter length. First you have to do, what you have to do? You have to peel off the bark from the facing side of the stalk. You can see in the picture that the facing side, do you understand what is the facing side? The side which is facing each other. Okay, peel off the bark from the facing side of both the stalk and the scion. What is the length? 3.5 centimeter length. You measure 3.5 centimeter and peel off that facing side of the branch. Okay, then what to do? Then the second step is that bring the peeled off portions of the stalk and the scion in contact with each other. Just you join each other, the facing the removed bark portion, you join together and wrap them together firmly with a jute twine. Okay, using a jute twine, you firmly warp tightly, firmly together. Okay, and then what to do? Cover it with a wax cloth. What to do? Cover it with a wax cloth or a plastic tape. Cover it with a, after firmly covering with a jute twine, you cover it with a wax cloth or a plastic tape. And after 1 month, wait for 1 month. Okay, after 1 month, what to do? Cut partially, not fully. Okay, cut partially the stalk part above the covered area. Okay, the stalk part above the covered area you partially cut, and the scion below the covered area you partially cut. Okay, only partially, don't completely you cut. After 1 month, wait for 1 month. After 1 month, you cut the partially the stalk above the covered area and the scion below the covered area. Okay, and again you wait for 1 more month. Okay, wait for 1 more month, and then you can cut and detach the part completely. You can cut and remove the part completely. Okay, when it attains proper growth, when it is attaining proper growth, it can be replanted in a more suitable place. From the pot you can plant it into the soil. Okay, and remove any new branches sprouting on the stalk. Remove if new branches arising from the stalk. You don't want the stalk plant branches. We want only the scion branch. Then only we will get superior quality plants. From the scion branch only superior quality mangoes we will get, or other fruits we will get. So if from the stalk, if there is any branches are coming, you cut off that branch, and only the scion should be there in the stalk, and remove any new branches sprouting on the stalk. Okay, this is about the layering. This way we can do the layering. You can practice in your garden today itself. Okay, it's very interesting. Today you can start it, and after 1 month you partially cut partially the stalk above the covered area and the scion below the covered area, and 1 more month you wait and detach the part completely. Okay, and when it attains proper growth, you can replant it in a soil, and remove any new branches sprouting on the stalk. Okay, so graft the branch of any other variety of mango tree on the saplings of an indigenous variety of mango tree, and write the procedure in your science diary. That is your homework. You should do in your garden, and write about that. Grafting. Okay, graft the branch of any other variety of mango tree on the sapling of an indigenous variety of mango tree. Take the sapling of any indigenous variety. Okay, that is a local variety. That is not a superior quality one. You take as the stock, and you can select a branch of a superior quality mango tree, and you can do the grafting with that superior quality branch with the rooted plant. That is the local plant, and you can write down the procedure in your science diary. Okay, and so now the layering is over. Now we are going to study about budding. Okay, budding. In this method, can you guess what you are going to do? Yes, you heard about budding, because in the roses, when you are planting the roses, or we are going to buy the rose from the shop, you can see the different variety roses are there. Okay, in a one plant, different colored roses are there. All these are happening by this budding. Okay, in this method, in the grafting, what we done, the branches we are doing, the branches we are joining together, and in budding, what should be there? The bud should be there instead of the branch. Okay, in this method, a bud is grafted. The bud is selecting for grafting instead of grafting a branch to another plant. This method can be used to produce flowers of different colors in the same plant. It is very beautiful to see. Am I right? It is very beautiful to see in a single plant different colored flowers are there. Okay, we can see how it is doing. We can see the next we are going to study about the steps of budding. Okay, it's very interesting, and you can do this also in your garden and make beautiful flowers in your garden and make your garden beautiful by this applying this layering, this grafting, and now the budding. Okay, why we are studying all these things? To apply in your life, in your garden. Okay, do it. That is compulsory, and I want the report in your notebook. Okay, see how the budding is happen in the plant. Okay, let's see. First step, what to do first? Cut off the bud from a quality plant. You select a quality plant with a nice rose flower with a very beautiful flower. Okay, very variety color flower. Okay, and cut off the bud from a quality plant. Take a bud from a quality plant. Then make a T-shaped cut on the plant on which the bud is to be grafted and leave the bark open. Okay, we have a rose color, normal rose color plant is there in your house. So make a T-shaped cut on the bark of the rose color rose plant. Okay, take you select the normal rose plant in your house and make a T-shaped cut on the bark of that particular plant, the rose plant. Okay, for example, I am saying the rose. Okay, you can take any other plants also. So, okay, after selecting that T-shaped mark cut on the plant and leave the bark open. Okay, and in that part, the T-shaped marked shaped part, you have to insert the bud. This bud we selected early from the superior quality nice plant, nice flowered plant. You take a bud and insert that bud into the T-shaped cut on the bark of the normal rose plant. Then wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. Bud is exposed means over that bud part you never tie the twine. Okay, so remove the bud part and the other part you tie firmly with the bark. Then wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. Then cut off the upper part of the stalk when the bud attains proper growth. Okay, after the bud is started to produce the branch normally, that is from the bud a new branches arise properly, then you cut the stalk upper part, stalk plant, the normal plant's upper part you remove, cut from the plant. When you have to cut the upper part of the stalk? When that bud is grown to a branch. Okay, this is the steps in the budding. And now we know how to do budding in the plant. That also you should practice in your garden to produce beautiful flowers in a beautiful different colored flowers in a single plant. Okay, you can try it. Nowadays you are simply sitting in the house, not too much work, and you are not going to the school also. So then you can, you are bored actually. So escape from the boring, you can practice all these new methods. Okay, try to graft the bud of a red rose plant to a white rose plant. Okay, bud of a superior rose variety may be grafted to a native rose variety too. Native rose, local rose. Okay, write down the activities sequentially in your science diary and write down the activities in the correct order in your science diary. Now we are familiar with the different methods to produce superior varieties of plant X. Examine the information given in the table below and answer the following questions. Okay, variety 1, long lifespan. Variety 2, short lifespan. Low yield, high yield. The opposite of that one. Active growth in soil, poor growth in soil. Okay, you can use the different methods to produce the new plant. Okay, now the combining. Now next day we can study about combining qualities. Okay.
Okay. Today's class we have studied about the merits and demerits of layering. Then we studied grafting and budding. Okay, I told you you should practice all this in your garden, and then only you can study more about this. So today itself you try to do grafting, budding and layering in your garden. Okay, bye. See you in the next class.